Today let's make tasty crispy cheese cream dumpling. Very simple to make. First you need spring roll sheets. Now these sheets are easily available in any supermarket. Just try to separate them, and then what you need to do is either you can take a scissors or a knife and cut it into thin strips like this and keep it aside. Now one part of the dumpling which we need is ready. Now let's make a tasty sauce. Here I've added in mayonnaise and chili oil. The sauce is ready. Keep it aside. Now for the filling, here I've taken in cream cheese. I'm adding in some spring onions, salt and pepper, and give it a good mix and keep it aside. It's a very simple and easy recipe. It might look tough, but it's very simple to make. Now place the spring roll sheets which you have cut it into strips like this. Add the cream cheese dumpling, the cream cheese spread, and then roll it around the strips. Now there's no particular kind of shape which you need to give. Just see to that the cream cheese is beautifully nicely covered with the strips, and just see to that each and every side is very well covered. Now you need to make small balls like this and then keep it aside. You need to repeat the same for how many ever dumplings you have decided to prepare. Now either you can air fry it or you can deep fry it, completely up to your choice. I prefer air frying this. Now I've taken my air fryer it, and then I'm placing the dumpling slowly one by one, and then add a drop of oil and then air fry it. Now that's it. Your crispy tasty cream cheese dumpling is ready to serve. Just plate it on the serving plate and add in the sauce at the bottom. Place these dumplings, and then you can enjoy it. It's very crispy, very filling. Trust me, you'll not eat one, you'll definitely go and finish all the other rest of the dumplings. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can see the ingredients and the descriptions on the screen along with the measurement. Look at the cream cheese, it's beautiful. Like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.